Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on two sides for easy removal. Now, let's gather our key ingredients. 200 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 large eggs. First, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate with 150 grams of unsalted butter over a double boiler until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 200 grams of granulated sugar until pale and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Gently fold the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, then gradually incorporate 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 30 grams of cocoa powder. Pour the brownie batter evenly into your prepared 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Overbaking will result in dry brownies, so keep a close eye on them. Once baked, let the brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This crucial step allows them to set properly, ensuring a fudgy texture and clean, neat cuts. After cooling, lift them out using the parchment paper overhang and cut into 16 equal squares. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.